This is a nuclear magnetic resonance, 400 megahertz NMR, that's used for identification of chemicals in solution, very similar to an MRI that they use in the hospital. So this is just one. This is a brand new instrument, kind of basically showing Washburn's commitment to the science program. So basically,
what is that doing?
So this is your sample. So this would be, you put your chemical sample in solution right here, and then you actually stick it in the port. This is kind of analogous to an MRI where you're actually going down the chamber. In the MRI, now you're sliding into the chamber as the sample goes down, and then we'll just take a spectra of it. This is another example of some instrumentation that the student would use. It's called a gas chromatograph mass spectrometer. And it works on the principle of you take a solution and expose it to an oven, and it vaporizes it. There's a carrier gas that'll separate out the chemicals. It goes through a detector that actually will determine what chemicals then are in solution according to the mass and charge ratio. So they would learn how to use this and actually in forensic analysis. Then behind me over here is an atomic absorption flame spectrophotometer, and what that does is it brings in solution, it exposes the chemicals to a flame, it atomizes them, and then again takes a spectra of that to take a look at the ions that are in solution. Again, this is another forensic instrument. It's actually critical for students to learn how to use instrumentation, and Washburn has a tremendous commitment towards students at Washburn in general and to this program in ensuring that the students are well educated in using instrumentation. Very much like CSI, although we don't claim that all those techniques actually work, that there are clearly in labs today, forensic labs, it's important that students actually know how to use the instrumentation.